Hey guys, this is Diamond Glitter Princess coming at you once again. I'm here to talk about, I have a couple of videos on all sorts of things on my channel, really Diamond Glitter, but I do have some wash and goes and do all that stuff to your hair, because I got hair, so I always want to do it to my video to bring some more people in. Okay, well, today we're going to talk about two items. I'm a redhead, of course, and it's time for a little touch up. So I am presenting y'all with this Dark and Lovely Go Intense. This is number 66 Spicy Red. Yeah, so it's gonna make my red more red, and then my other color more red. Last time I did it was like in March. Now this is like July, the end of July. So definitely need a touch up because my hair grows so much. So this is the unboxing of the Dark and Lovely Go Intense Spicy Red. Now you have this, you can cut it, mix it up, and this is what you do. And you put number 1 and number 2, and this is the Intense Conditioning Cream Gel. Okay. Then you have the Go Intense Extra Caring Conditioner. So this is number 3. And then, then you have this little bitty one that says Color Booster Amplify Couture. So this goes inside with this and this, and you shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it. Then you just go ahead and do all this well. I'm gonna come back at you once I probably put it in my hair midway, possibly. And we're going to see how this Dark and Lovely Spicy Red do. And I also have some PantenePro-V Radiant Color and Shine 2-in-1 shampoo that I'll be using. So it's hydration, protection, and vibrant shine. So we will be using both of these today. Soon. But I really wanted to put this video out. Okay, so until then, I'll be back with another video. Touching this hair up, girl. And you see I still got my little diamond in the background. So guys, I'm on my last color. So yeah, it's coming together. The places that you don't see, that's where the color goes. And then we're going to have to frame this. So be on the lookout for another home frame, do it yourself. And this will be the next painting that I'll be putting up. And that will be it, guys. I thank you so much. Please go to my other channel. It's called The Life with an Autism Mom Blog. And subscribe and watch those videos. And we're going to do some cutting. Just a couple of moments. Till then, stay blessed and peace out in the middle. Decision. Like, comment, subscribe, and ding ding, hit that bell for some more videos coming at you. Bye.